Hey there, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, author of Social Media Pie. If you don't have the copy of the book yet, you got to get one. I wanted to talk to all of you today because I'm getting ready to convert my book into an audiobook. Very excited about this. Been reading up a lot, tips about audiobook, and I want to narrate this myself. So what I need to do is get some practice reading my book and figuring out how to convert it. So what I'm doing is I'm actually leveraging the Clubhouse community as a place to read my book. So I'd love to invite you to come and join me. I'll be doing this every Sunday morning for the next couple weeks from 9 to 10 a.m. If you don't have Clubhouse yet, go into your app store. You can click the link, download it for free, set up an account, and then you can go to the link I'm going to put in this video and you can add this event to your calendar. It's every Sunday, 9 to 10 a.m. Eastern. What I do is actually have a copy of the book in front of me and I'm going to read a chapter of the book. And then after the reading, I will invite people from the audience to come up on stage and discuss the book with me. If you have any questions, comments, you can add that in. And if not, I'll kind of tell a little bit of the backstory about some of the chapters of the book and the contents of the book as well. Now, this is an audio-only community, so don't feel nervous. It's Sunday morning. You know, you may not want to be on camera. Totally get that. And you can just listen in. You don't even have to participate. But I wanted to make sure everyone knew that that was available to you. So check out the link below if you're already on Clubhouse. If you're not in Clubhouse yet and you want to come in and just listen into the readings of the book on Sunday mornings, I would love to have you joining, and feel free to share this message along with others. This is a free event. So a little sample of my audiobook. Again, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, doing some readings. It'll be a slice of social media pie. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the audience on Clubhouse. Message me back if you do have any questions. Just hit reply to this email. Have a wonderful day.